When you click on the link, you're going to see the introduction to Flappy Bird.
Hey everyone. One of the most exciting things about computer science is that a computer program can be interactive.
So we're going to be making an interactive version of Flappy Bird for ourselves. I want to show you that down in the lower right-hand corner, there is an option to take this video full screen. Now, take a look at the students in the picture. Are they working alone? No, they're working together. It's really important that when you code or you work on programming, that when you run into problems, you work with a partner. Now, I get it. These guys are not sitting 6 feet apart, and they definitely don't have masks on. So I would encourage you to find a way to communicate with someone near you when you get stuck. Having a partner or someone to turn to is really going to be helpful. All right, I am going to exit out of that. Then you're going to start working on the puzzle. Once again, the instructions are up here. If you need them read to you, tap on the icon with the book and the megaphone. Tap play.
Attach a block to the when click block, then press run.
And it'll read the directions to you. Tap my back arrow and I'm back to the puzzle. Okay, attach a block to the when click block. That's this green one. That's your event. When it's clicked, something's happening. Then press run. Click or tap the screen to move Flappy to the target. Okay, so attach the block. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to tap on run. Now, I'm going to tap on my keyboard. I had to play around with this a little bit. Oh, so I had to tap, tap, tappity, tap, 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 tap on my keyboard. Let's replay that and just try it again. Reset, run, and I'm just tapping on my keyboard until I get to the target. I'm sure most of you knew that. Now we added some ground. Attach a block to the when hit the ground block. Your code needs to end game. I'm going to click start over. Your puzzle will look like this. So when you click, it's going to flap. When it hits the ground, what are we supposed to do? Oh, it's supposed to end the game. I'm going to grab the end game and put it over here. Now notice, these are two different events. Two different things are going on. You're clicking and flapping. If it hits the ground, end the game. Let's click run. So as long as I'm tapping, my bird is flying. Once my bird hit the ground, my game was over. And I tap on continue to go to the next puzzle. Okay, the instructions. The when run block allows you to run code when your game starts. Try setting the level, speed, and flapping to the target. One click. I'm going to flap, but when it's running, I'm going to change the speed. Oh, let me see what very slow looks like. And I'm choosing very slow because I want to make sure I know what I'm doing. I'm going to click run. Tapping on my, oh yeah, see? So I got to make sure I'm flying. And able to hit my target. There we go. I like that puzzle. Continue. Okay. I'm going to let you work on some puzzles on your own. I'll continue to do a talk through, and you can click on play and listen, or you can try it on your own. It is up to you. Puzzle 4. Okay. Flappy will fly through obstacles unless you write code to make him crash. Attach a block to the when hit an obstacle block. That would be this green one-hit obstacle. Your code needs to end game when Flappy crashes into a set of pipes. So here's the event. What's going to happen if I hit it? I'm going to end game. Okay. So 2 different events going on. When I click on my keyboard, he's going to flap. The other event, when I hit an obstacle, the game is going to end. I'm also setting my speed. I could do slow. I could do very fast. It's up to you. I'm going to try slow because I'm not so great at this clicking thing. It's up to you though. Let's run the program and see what it does. Oh, here come the pipes. Oh, and I hit the pipes, so the game is over. I completed the puzzle. Puzzle number 5. Let's add a scoreboard and count points when Flappy makes it past obstacles. Add to the pass an obstacle block and then score a point by flying Flappy through the first set of pipes. Boy, that's a lot of syllables in one spot. Okay, so what's it saying to me? When run, my speed is normal. When I click, I flap. This is my new event button. When I pass an obstacle, I'm going to score a point. Let's run it and see what happens. Again, I like slow so I can see what it's doing. You choose your speed. Don't get frustrated, just change the speed. Oh, I see the 0. Let me see if I can get through the pipes without crashing. I crashed. I'm not quite sure why it said I went through it. See if you can score a point after making Flappy flap either a small or a larger amount. Okay, so when I click, I'm going to flap, but I'm adding a variable here. Is it normal? I can change my variables, just like we do in math. Let's try small, and then I'll switch over to larger. Okay, run. Aha, I get it. I'm going to replay. I'm going to select a large amount now. When I try different things, I get an idea of how the game runs, and it helps me make better guesses and problem solve when I run into issues. Oh, he is really bouncing there. I'm going to reset. I'm going to try normal. Run. Oh, it's really hard to get through there. Let's see. I'm going to go to very small. Phew! I didn't hit the pipes this time. I was able to make it through. Puzzle number 7. Okay. Try changing the scene by attaching another block to the when run block. So where is when run? I've got all these greens. Greens are events, when something happens. Ooh, when run. Let me go over here to where my blocks are. Set a scene. When run, my speed is normal, and the scene is city day. Ooh, let's try underwater. Let's see what it looks like. Nice. Oh, and I hit the pipes. I'm going to replay that. How do I fix that? It's flapping a normal amount. Let me go to very small. Oh, okay. I think it helps me to have a very small amount. Now you might have a different preference. You might like it when it's flapping lots of large flaps. Puzzle number 8. Okay. Puzzle number 8. You can set visuals anytime, not just when the game starts. Try setting a random scene when other events happen. For example, when passing an obstacle. Let's take a look at what we've got on our workspace. When run, set the speed to normal. I'm going to switch that to slow because that's my speed. When click, that's an event because it's a green block. I will flap a normal amount. Again, I'm going to change that for me. When I hit the ground, what's going to happen? End game. When I hit an obstacle, what's going to happen? End game. When I pass an obstacle, I'm going to score a point, and the scene is going to change. Let's change the variable to random. Okay, let me see. I can set visuals anytime, not just when the game starts. All right, so after I score a point, the scene is going to change, and it's going to be random. Set a random scene when other events happen. For example, passing an obstacle. Okay, I think I've done that. So when we start off, it's going to be its normal scene. When I pass an obstacle, I score a point, and my scene changes. Let's play and see what happens. Okay, tapping, tapping, tapping. Oop, my scene changed. I earned a point. Oh, and then I hit a pipe, and it all ends. Okay, let's go to the next puzzle. Puzzle number 9. To mix things up when hitting an obstacle, instead of ending the game, set the score back to 0. So that means I'm going to remove end game, set score. Here's that block. So in the event that I hit an obstacle, I will set the score to 0. If I hit the ground, I'll end the game. All right, and I'm still changing scenes and scoring a point when I pass obstacles. Let's check it out. Oh, see? Okay, see how I lose points when I fly through the pipes, but I end the game once I hit the ground. Level 10. Create your own Flappy game. You can change all the visuals and all the rules, even the gravity. When you're done, click Finish to let your friends try your game on their phones. All right, let's give it a whirl. I can't wait to see what you come up with.